Ubtan can be applied according to your daily skin type. There are different kinds of Ubtan for dry skin, oily and normal skin. It will not only clear your skin, but it will also plays a major role of healing pimples and remove sunburn and also prevent it. Majority of people in Pakistan and India use it to treat rashes, dark spots, pigmentation, whiteheads and blackheads. It also removes dark circles gradually from time to time according to your problem, etc. You will need a mixing bowl and brush, and you will pour 3 tablespoons of 3 tablespoon almond milk, 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 3 tablespoon of chickpea powder, which is called besan in Urdu and Hindi. It takes 8 minutes to prepare carefully for your skin type. Mix all ingredients together and put this mixture in a bowl. Pour milk with spoon and do not let it lumpy at all. It must not be too much liquid and not too thick paste. Smooth and soft paste should be made, and we will try our best to make it soft paste for skin to be applied gently. Let it be on your skin for 24 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm fresh water and take a bath. Please keep in mind that after applying Ubtan, you should not wash your face or skin with any soap. Because Ubtan has a role of soap, it cleans the skin like soap. It also removes dirt from the face and cleanses the skin pores and improves skin texture. Ubtan is extremely essential for skin to remove the problems of pimples as well. It makes the skin fair according to your skin texture. You need to apply coconut or almond oil to make your skin moisturized after washing your skin. Your skin will be much smoother and softer and will start to glow very beautifully. But keep in mind that some people get allergic reactions or itching after applying chickpea or besan powder, so it is essential to test on your hand first of all. These precautions should be considered as well.